Well, guys, I got my flywheel back from the machine shop. I machined the centerpiece here, and what I had them do was finish machining this piece out. I basically turned my drill press into a mill, and I used a fly cutter to cut the center out of the flywheel, but I didn't do a very good job. It was undersized and it was not concentric, so I took this and this and this to the local machine shop, Aberdeen Machine, and had them do a bit of work for me. They machined this out to 3.5001. No, 3.501. That's what it was. And then press this in, because I machined this out to 3.5000. And anyways, they pressed it in, and then they welded it, and then they drilled the bolt pattern for the vehicle that this is bolting to. And this is from a completely different vehicle, and I will show you guys the engine and the truck that this is built for. I also machined a lip or a shoulder on the part so that it would press into a certain point and then stop, and then I had them weld it. Focus. Come on. They had to use a special welding rod to do it because it was different metals. This is cast steel versus, like, I don't even know what it is. Something shiny. But anyways, I got to take this over to the engine and see if it'll fit and bolt on. Cross your fingers and your toes, because this cost me quite a bit. I would have been able to do this myself, but I did not have a lathe big enough. Oh yeah, friggin' RC planes. Anyways, yeah, it's a 1990 Mazda B2600i. Very good condition. Needs taillights. It's got a little bit of rust there. And that is it. This thing is freaking mint. I can't remember how many K are on it. Ooh, there's my clutches. Excellent. So yeah, 5-speed, 4-cylinder, 4 cylinders in the back here. One of them, the one that came out of this truck, threw a rod, and the replacement one was also no good. It's got 32s on it, IFS for now. Spiders, those are custom spiders. Oh, I don't want to stick my hand under there. Good, he's not there. Yeah, so the engine threw a rod, so I was like, I'll throw something else in here. But yeah, I'm building a Toyota solid axle out of an 85. I'm using the original knuckles that I did the big brake mod with, and the IFS mod. Chopping all this IFS crap out of here, and I'm going to be swapping in a very cool engine. My long-time subscribers will know this engine. Yeah, so it's a whole bunch of work to do. Some of you might recognize the bolt pattern, but maybe not. Oop. Yeah. So yeah, super good condition. It's got 32s on it for now. It's got 3 flats. I think only one of the tires is holding there for now, but I gotta drag it to work and do a bunch of flat repairs and stuff on it. And yeah, this here, that's my engine. So I'll unbag it, and show you guys what's up. Yep, it's my 1.6 turbo diesel out of my Volkswagen. I haven't had that thing in years. I think it's been about 8 years. But yeah, I got this thing back from my dad, and yeah, I have no idea if it runs. I'm hoping it's not seized, but basically I just need that off it because I'm picking up another car. I believe it's a 91 Volkswagen diesel with this engine in it, and it needs an injection pump, so this is the one that I hot rodded, so this thing makes crazy power. I also want to build compounds for it. I got another turbo in mind to compound with this one, so I'll have quick spooling and lots of power. Yeah, there she is. So I got to make sure that bolt pattern fits. Can't for the life of me remember where I put those bolts. It's been so long. But I brought the flywheel. I'm going to put it on the back and hopefully she fits. It'd be downright depressing if she didn't. And the Volkswagens use this offset right here. These are all 60 degrees apart, except for, what is it? These two here, it's 72 degrees, and these are like 46 or something stupid like that. But these ones are all 60 degrees, so looks like the flywheel bolt pattern was drilled in the correct orientation. Oh, come on. Where are you lined up? Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Oh, yeah. That is the freaking cat's ass. That is so exciting. That is so freaking awesome. Everything lines up. Oh, I'm so freaking excited. I machined this piece and it's perfect with this. I'm losing my mind right now. That's really tight clearance to that bolt. Next thing I got to do is build the bell housing adapter. So that's going to be really interesting. Oh, that's freaking perfect. That is so exciting. Oh, you guys have no idea how excited I am right now over this. This is just great. So excited. Just gotta empty out the box. I need to pull a few sensors off of the engine too, and then adapt them to the Volkswagen, or put the Mazda sensors in the Volkswagen diesel engine so that the cluster works with that engine. It's been a very long day. I'm exhausted. So yeah, this is the only good tire. The other ones are all flat, but I'm gonna fix that. Not a big deal. Yeah, this thing is so freaking clean. What I gotta do is cut the back spring hangers off. I got to move the rear springs up to the front, and then I got some Toyota springs for the rear. Tracking down a few parts for that still. I got to get my hands on a complete IFS rear diff, as well as matching third member to the rear for the front, and then a Burfield joint. So basically 3 items, and then I'm good to go. But yeah, this thing is, I'm so excited. Gonna have an off-roader again, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, she needs a name. What should we call her? She definitely needs a name. Well guys, that'll do it for this one, so thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.